The piezoresistive single-channel amplifier 4624A from Kistler represents the highest precision, reliability, and flexibility in pressure measurement technology. It is ideally suited for precise single-channel measurements, for onboard measurements in vehicles, on test benches, or in demanding laboratory applications. With integrated PiezoSmart sensor detection, connected TED sensors are automatically recognized and their information is read instantly. The measuring chain is ready for immediate use without manual parameterization. The set can be individually configured. Setup is simple and efficient. First, the power supply, the TED sensor, and the Ethernet cable are connected. The Ethernet connection can be made either directly to a PC or to an existing network. Five colored LEDs on the front panel provide information about the amplifier's current operating status at all times. The Kistler Network Wizard Assistant simplifies the configuration of the network connection and enables quick, convenient access to the integrated web interface for operating the amplifier. The web interface is clearly structured and divided into 5 main menus. Overview, amplifier configuration, sensor configuration, device settings, as well as help and instructions. The overview displays all relevant information centrally. This includes measurement readiness, signal output, sensor data, and the current measured values for pressure and temperature. A description of the measurement can also be displayed here. The adjustment button provides direct access to the amplifier settings, for example, to perform an absolute pressure adjustment. Key parameters can be set in the Amplifier Configuration menu. These include the unit of measurement, offset correction, low-pass filter configuration, and the selection of the pressure and temperature output signal, voltage, or current. Automatic zero-point correction allows the amplifier to be calibrated to a defined target value. The zero point can be adjusted either via the web interface or directly, using the function keys on the front panel, and reset as needed. In the Measuring Chains menu, the Gain Adjustment function is used for a precise adjustment of a measuring chain with reference to an externally applied signal. This adjustment can be performed manually or automatically and ensures that the measuring chain components are optimally calibrated. The sensor configuration displays sensor data and calibration information. Network configurations and firmware updates provided via the Kistler website can be performed in the device settings. The Help section provides access to user manuals, tooltips, and diagnostic functions. In case of an error, internal logs can be saved as a log file and sent to Kistler support for analysis and fast troubleshooting. The Type 4624A piezoresistive amplifier combines precise measurement technology with intuitive operation for reliable measurement results in every application.